Hello, welcome guys. This time also I'm going to do a video about IBM QRadar, and this time what I'm going to do is upgrade an system, right? So before upgrading, I will show you give you some insights about the system and other configurations on the system. So when I go to about, you can see this. Wait, I think I can. Yeah, this can. So you can see that this is IBM QRadar and 7.5.0 GA version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade this GA version to update package 1. Now today's 26th of August of 2023. At the moment there are update package 6 as well. We can directly upgrade it to update package 6, or but at the moment I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade this GA package to update package 1. So before do that, so there's a checklist which is provided by IBM QRadar documentation, and which is this is the upgrade guide, right? So yeah, so as you can see in this content, there is a preparation checklist, so which I had done before. So when you're going to do a upgrade, you will have to do this preparation checklist, go through everything, because this is very important, right? uh, Most of the time these I mean users of scheduled notify the users about scheduled maintenance, and reports are complete, or everything should be complete, and no one should be working on the system, right? uh, yeah, since I have gone through the requirement phase, uh, now I'm going to do the upgrade, and I will show you my uh, yeah, I will show you my QRadar CLI, right? And yes, accept. Right. So this is my QRadar system. Um, and as you can see in here, uh, yeah. Now I had logged in. I will show. Yeah, I had copied the update package. That's an .sfs file. Which should be downloaded from Fix Central, right? Uh, yeah. Let's go to the file. So where I had store temp, yeah, and there I created a folder called update. This is the folder, right? So I'm going there as well, right? Let's see whether, yeah, the package is there. Right now this is a package we are going to install in our QRadar system, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this into another side and get this Adobe PDF folder, PDF file to another side, right. I will yeah, right. Now as you can see, the according to the IBM documentation, it's the first of all we should download that SFS file from Fix Central, and then we have to SSH to log in into our system as root user, right? And then we have to copy it to a store temp or warlog directory or any other location that is sufficient disk space, that should be has that sufficient space, right? According to them, it should have like 5 GB enough space, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type this command. Actually I'm going to copy this command. What this command is does is it will give the free, what do we call, size of the out of the this store temp folder, right? So Let's see. And this t command, what this t command does is, while this command is running on the CLI and it gives the update, it gives the uh, output in the CLI, this check.txt file will be also generated, right? You can google it and see what will be happen. Yeah, so as you can see, in this store temp file there are 11 GB of available space. So we should have 5 GB enough, 5 GB in the QRadar, right? So since we have um what do you call copied the file into store temp, it should be fine because it has 11 GB of free space, right? This one, right? um then according to them, they have told that don't copy the file to an existing directory, like store directory, because it stores the like main directory uh, in QRadar. Anyway, let's go to yeah, let's go and create another folder, which is uh, I think there should be, wait, no, right, let's go and see whether there is the media folder is there. Yeah, there's the media folder, right? We can go there and we can see what are inside them. As you can see, there's no this updates folder, so we have to create it. What I'm going to do is I'm just copying this command and I'm just pasting it. And now let's see. Yeah, now you can see that updates folder has been created, right? um According to them, now we have to do is use the command to cd to change directory where you copied. So what we have to do, we have to go to that store temp file, because I had uh, store temp, copied that file into store temp and update, right? um Now I'm on there. And now what we have to do is to mount this fs file to media updates directory, type the following command. Okay, I'm gonna copy this file, right? But here now we need the name of the QRadar update. So what we have to do is, this is the update file name. I'm gonna copy it, right? Okay, I'm gonna cancel it. um right, okay. I'm gonna do is, right, now we are going to mount that sfs file to the media slash update file, right? um if you are not clear what I had done there, wait, I will same copy that command, right? Cancel, yes, okay, okay, sorry, right, wait, let's clear this thing, right? Wait, okay, let's start fresh, right? So what happens here is, now I'm going to execute this command. What this command does is, this command is mounting the this sfs file to this this whole this file path, right? Okay, yes, now it's already mounted. So to run the install, type the following command, right? We have just copy it, then just we have to paste it, right? Yeah, if you receive following error message, you have QRadar incident forensic appliance in deployment. Download this. Uh, okay, let's see. So we didn't receive that error message that's associated with this QRadar incidents forensic appliance, right? So what we need to do is we have to, before upgrade the GA version to update package 1, we will have to install the patch file from or patch file of the QRadar incident forensics. Then we have to do this, right? So do you want to continue? We did not detect any photo it's okay, right? So because these auto updates are applied in last week, because this appliance was deployed today. That's why I think. And so I'm going to press yes. Do you want to continue? Yes, of course I need to continue. Sorry, I just accidentally scrolled my mouse. It's okay, it won't affect. All right, so let's give it some time. Please select a host for batching. So yeah, now here what is happening is, now in my this in this deployment, there's a AIO1. AIO means all in one appliance, as well as it's connected with a separate app host, right? So all in the virtual environment. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is, this is console, one is for console, and two is all, right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm applying all the package on all the host, right? Yeah, basically first they have applying the console, then they are applying the patches to the app host as well. That's why it's giving this message. So I'm pressing all. Okay, it didn't understand. uh, it should be understood. Yeah. Oh fuck. Sorry guys, I had a power cut, right? I think my recording is still going now. Yeah. So now it's asking if I whether I wish to continue. Yeah, of course I wish to continue. Right. So I pressed yes. Um, let's give it some moment. Right. Okay. Mm, it's gonna happen that yeah, this Q&A update capture cards. Yeah, yeah. So what we have to do is, this is it's about Q&A something, but I haven't installed Q&A. Anyway, let's give yes without uh yeah. So this update. Yeah, and the update and the service to restart. It could restart. Yeah, there's a gap. Could be there in the data collection. Here's the version that yeah. So now what we have to do, update and restart the event collection service now. Continue using the current version of the event. Update the event collection service and next restart. No, we will go with the first option, because let's do it now, right? And ensure that all apps on your system are updated before you update. Curate out of date apps might not work. Continue. Yeah, because it's okay. We will deal with the apps afterwards, right? So okay. Yeah, let's give this machine some time, right? So I think during this period, uh, sorry, that was a requirement that as you can see in the requirement phase, it was like verify that running scans are complete and request that all users close QRadar sessions. So it should be done actually. So that's my bad. As you can see now, it's stopping the host context service, right? Wait, I think I can. Yeah, you can see what it does when the upgrade is running. Already it's 16 minutes. I thought that it would end it within 10 minutes, but I had to explain some basic concepts. Actually, not basics, what is happening there. Right now, it's stopping the Tomcat service, right? Yeah, it gave some checkup fail, zero checkup fail, 8 successful, 15 files. Now, this is not a fail checkup. Checkups haven't been failed because, right? Zero failed checkups. So, no checkups has been failed, right? And 8 successful checkups, right? And so far, so good, right? Yeah, so far, so good. Yeah, so guys, what happened was, right? What happened was, my display, I mean, my connection to the VPN server was terminated because I think my network had some issues, right? Since because of those issues, right? Um, then I lost the basically the window, right? So what I had to do was I just again connect to my VPN server, and then it showed me this message. Now, as you can see here, network error, software cost, connection abroad, right? Right. So after this point onwards, I again restarted the session, but after the restart, I just got I login as root, and I again got the access to the my console, right? Now, as you can see, it gave me a set. This is the date, and patches is still on progress. Do not reboot, right? It's on pretty capital, and do not reboot with that exclamation mark. So what I had to do to get, now I just need to what is the status of the installation of the upgrade, right? So what I did was, first I listed what are these background processors that are running on that running there, right? I can show you. There was a thread uh, in IBM support, right? QRadar command line displays patch is still in progress. What I did was, yeah, since the SSH session has disconnected, um now I just need to see the upgrade now. So what I did was went through this resolving these problem issues, right? There were two options, right? Now run the command to start the patch installation, for example. Again, I didn't do that. I didn't go through with that because I was this is a very long process, so I didn't do that. So I just alternatively, I just see the screen. I just want to see the um, what is happening there, right? What is the progress of the upgrade? So what I did was I just went through the screen list, and then I typed screen X. Then I got the uh, see screen list, and yeah, with the patches installer is was there. And what I did was I access the screen using dash X, right? It's okay. Now it's okay now. I think is it stopped again or something like happened. Right, right. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna again cancel this one, and I'm going to again connect to the sorry, fine. And I'm logging as root, and then still it's on progress, still in progress, right? So now this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the other option, right? What I'm going to do is run the command to start the patch installation. Okay, now the installer checks to determine if patch is in progress when it returns and disconnections administrator. Okay, just run, let's run this command, right? I don't think it would work, right? Okay, updates. Oh, what was that? Let's see. Sorry, cd media, right? Let's go to ls cd updates, right? Then let's see what are in there, right? Is there the installation file? Okay, let's run this. It should be working fine. Yeah, it worked, right? It worked. That's superb. Now I can, this is not just a screen. Now I'm in the installer file, and I got the previous what do we call previous period, what is installer does, right? I'm getting the information about what is installer it. So I'm recommending this method to you as well, right? It's good. If you occurred any issues during the upgrade or during any upgrade, right? Please use that method. I will drop a link on that this thread, right, in the description below, because you uh, if you also had to go through that era, you will be able to um, solve that error, right? If you guys go through that link and what are the exact commands, right? Okay, let's give it some time again. I think it should be working fine because no errors so far, right? We'll see. Right, so as you can see now, it has been upgraded. Both the systems, both console and Apples has been upgraded successfully. Right, so we are good to go now. I'm entering. Right, okay. Now let's see what will happen. Yeah, now he's again stopping the host context process, right? Host context service. Mm, yeah. So, sorry, I was scroller doesn't works on here, right? Um, yeah, console patch successful. Post patch successful. Yeah, we are good. So let's give it some time again, right? Um, I think he might be stopping the Tomcat service as well, right? And then again restarting uh, even collection service and everything. Likewise, I think it should be the flow. And let's see the documentation. Right, according to documentation, as you can see, after upgrading the system, yeah, then we have to unmount the media file and then delete the SFS file which I had copied to store temp folder, and we can do a perform an automatic update ensure the um, yeah configuration files contain the latest network security information. Okay, delete the patch file. Yeah, as I told you before, it's yeah. This message broadcast test walk. Um, yeah, I'm closing the. Let's enter to close the screen. Now I'm pressing enter. Right. So what we have to do is we have to reboot the system to complete the upgrade. Right. So let's reboot it. Okay. Right. Let's give it some time again. Oh, still restarting. Remember, this is the just this is from I applied the upgrade for from applied the upgrade from the console, which can be used to give the upgrade to the app host as well, right? So I mean, if we upgrade the console, we can select the option to upgrade the console as well, because to work properly, right? To work properly, I mean, to work properly, that the console and the app host both needs to be in the same version, right? That is a requirement. So if I chose first to upgrade console and then I have to separately upgrade app host as well, right? And I will have to again connect the app host to the console, so it's a lot of work. So without doing that, right, without doing that, what we can do is we can deploy the upgrades from console which can be applied to the app host as well. So it's the best and easiest method. So the connection has been refused. I will have to check why it's happening. Yeah, now it should be fine. So I'm again login, right? Okay. Now as you can see, the server was upgraded to QRadar 7.5.0 upgrade package 1. Let's see whether the yeah. Let's give it some time to what do we call start the host context services and host and sorry, and don't get service to give us the GUI, and I will show you. Now actually it has taken like 1 hour and half 30 minutes, right? Yeah, it's actually 20, so 1 hour and 20 minutes has been taken to this video, to create this video and basically to upgrade the server, right? So I will not be No, I will not be what do we call, I will not be fast forward the installation, because I think for someone it might be very useful, right? To go through every step, right? Mm, it depends. I will check actually if there are some things I can forward, fast forward. I will do it, and other than that, I won't do it, because some things that are there that newbie or a person who is going to deploy or upgrade this system, a new upgrade to a system, uh, so they will have to learn some things, right? It shouldn't be up, what do we call, up and running at the moment, right? So let's see. 151. Yeah, it's not upgraded because, yeah, now let's see whether the uh, GUI is up and running, right? Yeah, it's up and running. Good, right? Okay, it's up and running, but it needs some time to, as you can see. Yeah, only 9.54 GB is used, I think. At least 12 or 13 GB should be used in here, in the memory, I mean. Don't update. We'll see. Yeah, now let's try it again, because now for last time I checked, yeah, 13 GB of RAM has been used, so it should be fine. I mean, yeah, 150, sorry, 151. Yeah, it's working. Okay, now, so wait, let's see. Now let's check whether the version, what is the version now, right? It should be the same. Yeah, now as you can see in the beginning of this installation, the this was 7.5.0 GA. Now it's update package 1, right? So that means our upgrade has been successfully done. And let's see about the app host, right? How did the app host go through well, or something, like if there are something issues. um yeah, it's active, so basically it's working properly, right? It's working. So yeah, so that's how we upgrade the system. uh Sorry, that's how we upgrade the QRadar from 7.5.0 GA to 7.5.0 update package 1, right? Okay. Yeah, I forgot some major points during the upgrade, what we have to do after the installation, right? According to the documentation of uh, legit documentation which is provided by IBM itself, it says we had mounted the media updated file location. Now we have to unmount it from the console. Now I'm unmounting, right? Okay, it's not mounted, right? It says it's not mounted. um okay, let's check it. Okay, it's a pretty mess. Store temp, not as a media. So okay, now anyway we have to delete that sfs file as well, right? let's do that. Let's grab what do we call media. All right, so basically it has been unmounted. uh yeah, so that means we are good to go. Now we have to delete that sfs file, right? Where was that sfs file? It was on slash, sorry, let's do it directly. um store, sorry, store temp update. It was in capital, I think. Yes, update. Yeah, 750. Now we are going to delete that file. Yes, right. Now let's do ls, mm, on the update, sorry, update folder. Yeah, there will be no this checks.txt file. It's okay. Yeah, right, it's okay to be there. If you want it, it's okay. And then we have to perform an automatic update, right, to ensure the files control it, so it's sent. So how to do that is, what we have to do is, let's go and check. Delete the patch file to free up the space. Yeah, patch file was deleted to free up space. And clear your web browser cache after the vulnerabilities might not be displayed. Okay, lesson key. Okay, deploy changes vm. Okay, so there were no, um sorry, where was I? So not in there, right? Then let's go to see whether there are some deploy changes. Okay, in the admin section. No, there are no deploy changes are there. It's okay. And now let's go to this link. What does it say? I need to check. Okay, we can just it's not opening. Anyway, we can do it in the GUI as well. Check for the updates. What we have to do is go to auto update, right? And we can go and see if there are any updates today, right? And get new updates. So okay, yeah, let's see. It will take some time. Then if there are some upgrades, you can just install the upgrades, right? That's how this works. Basically, now the system is working properly. We can, I mean, we have done our part. It's upgraded. That's all. Thank you guys.